Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on verifying ID on Coinbase. So in order to verify your ID on Coinbase, first thing first, you need to check your internet connection. Go ahead and open up or log in into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Now if you've not created an account and you want to verify it from the very first, then you can do that as well. If you have already created an account and you want to verify it later, then you can do that as well. So in my case, I've already created an account and I wanted to verify it after I create my account. So in order to verify your account, you'll have to go through 1 out of 4 steps. So right in center, you'll be able to see, as soon as you're logged in, you'll be able to see verify your information. All you have to do is just tap on it, and this is going to direct you to the verification process page. So now you begin with the verification process. So all you have to do is just go through all of these information, such as you can see, you need to verify your ID, that is your legal name, home address and date of birth, last name, 4-digit of social security number, and the ways to use your Coinbase as well. So if you have all of these procedures, then click the continue button. So here you need to provide in your legal first name, last name, that's on the ID, and your date of birth, your social security number. Click the continue button. As soon as you do that, it's going to take a while in order to verify your ID. So until you receive an email or statement, you have to wait patiently. So that's basically how you can verify ID on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.